All right, good morning from Iceland. I decided I woke up in a hotel room and there's this hill behind the hotel, so I decided to climb up it. Got a little gassed, a little out of shape, but got to the top, and this is basically what you see. Check this out. Yep, that's a glacier right there. That's the ocean. There's a big river running down right here. That leads to a massive waterfall also. And as you can see, it is just beautiful here. Hope you guys like the videos. Please subscribe and like, as it'll help me grow the channel. All right, time to get the day started. Have a great day, everyone.